Now, the big news break at this hour coming in from the Ministry of External Affairs, where government has responded to the NDTV query on the Chinese villages built in Arunachal. The Ministry of External Affairs says that China has constructed on areas it illegally occupied. Now, NDTV had broken this story of construction of 100 homes in that area. Let's cut across to Vishnu Som, joining us with the very latest.
Well, Sonal, this is a big development from the Ministry of External Affairs days after NDTV and some had accused NDTV of not bringing out the correct version of the actual events in the Upper Subansiri district of Arunachal Pradesh. The External Affairs Ministry statement actually puts this controversy hopefully to rest once and for all. The news, of course, pertains to the construction of a 100-home village in Arunachal Pradesh on Indian territory. It was a report NDTV had done several months back. It's a report which the Pentagon has acknowledged in a report that they have submitted to the US Congress. In their statement today, the External Affairs Ministry says, we've taken note of the US Department of Defense report to the US Congress. The MEA also says reports had also appeared in the media earlier this year. This refers obviously to the NDTV report when we'd broken this report. Very significantly, as we had stated then, China has undertaken construction activities in the past several years along the border areas, including in areas that it has illegally occupied over the decades. India has neither accepted such illegal occupation of our territory, nor has it accepted the unjustified Chinese claims. The government has always conveyed its strong protest to such activities through diplomatic means and will continue to do so. Now, this was in response, the statement, to a very specific question raised by NDTV. And what was that question? The question which we posed to the External Affairs Ministry, on the basis of which they've come out with this very detailed statement, was this: has China's construction of a 100-home village in the Upper Subansiri district of Arunachal Pradesh come up at any level in talks with Chinese authorities? The External Affairs Ministry says that yes, in fact, whenever there are disputes such as this, it comes up and it will come up in the future as well. And they have gone on to state quite categorically what exactly India believes about illegal Chinese construction. They have said it is illegal and unjustified claims. So very strong words from the External Affairs Ministry after the NDTV report, which had showed satellite images of Chinese illegal construction of a village on Indian territory. A picture from 2019 showed no village over there. A picture from 2020 showed this village was present in the Upper Subansiri district. By constructing a village, China has attempted to change the facts on the ground from making a disputed area into one where it has physically made a construction, a permanent construction, which it could potentially populate in the future if it hasn't done so already. Doing so is a complete violation of Article 7 of the 2015 bilateral agreement between India and China. You can reach that. You can see that in reaching a boundary settlement, the two sides shall safeguard due interests of their settled populations in border areas. What does this mean? If you build a village, you put people over there and call it a settled population, then you claim that territory. India may be worried that that is what China is trying to do in having constructed this village in an area which has been under its occupation since 1959. It has stepped up construction activity, and the construction of this village is absolutely huge.